Biology, Chapter 12, Biotechnology and its application of Class 12. The application of biotechnology includes biopharmaceuticals, therapeutics, diagnostics, genetically modified crops for agriculture, processed food, bioremediation, waste treatment, and energy production. Research is area of biotechnology. Three critical research areas of biotechnology. Biotechnology essentially deals with industrial production of biopharmaceuticals and biological using genetically modified microbes, fungi, plants and animals. There are three critical research areas of biotechnology. 1. Providing the best catalyst in the form of improved organism, usually a microbe or pure enzyme. Second, creating optimal conditions through engineering for a catalyst to act. And third, downstreaming processing technology to purify the protein or organic compounds. Biotechnology applications in agriculture. With the ever increasing human population of world, enhancement of food production and finding out new sources of food is the major necessity of the present time. There could be three options for increasing food production: agrochemical based agriculture, organic agriculture, and agriculture based on genetically engineered crops. Although green revolution has almost tripled the food production, yet it is not enough to feed growing human population. The increased production of food grain has been partly due to use of improved crop variety, but mainly due to the use of better management practice and use of agrochemicals, fertilizers and pesticides. However, the agrochemicals are often expensive and have harmful effect on the environment. Further increase in yield cannot be expected with existing variety or using conventional breeding. The use of genetically modified crops can be the possible solution to the above problems. Genetically modified organisms, it is also known as GMOs. The organisms, plants, bacteria, fungi and animals whose genes have been altered by manipulation are called genetically modified organisms. A number of crop plants have been modified in such a way to make them more useful. GM crops are useful in the following ways. Genetically modified have made crops more tolerant to abiotic stresses such as cold, drought, salt, heat, etc. It has reduced reliance on chemical pest-resistant crops. It has reduced post-harvest losses. It has also helped in preventing early exhaustion of fertility of soil as GM crops have increased efficiency of mineral uses. GM crops have enhanced nutritional value of food. Example, vitamin A and rich rice, golden rice. Genetically modified has been used to create tailor-made plants to supply alternative resources or raw materials such as starch, fuels, pharmaceuticals, etc. to industries. Production of pest-resistant plants. One of the applications of biotechnology in agriculture is the production of pest-resistant plants which could reduce the use of chemical pesticides to protect the crops. Bt toxin gene for a bacterium called Bacillus thuringiensis has been cloned and expressed in some crops plants to provide resistance to insects without the use of insecticides. For example, Bt cotton, Bt corn, rice, tomato and soybean, etc. Bt cotton. Some strains of Bacillus thuringiensis produce protein crystals called cryprotein that kill certain insects such as Lepidodendron, tobacco budworm, armyworms, coleopterans, beetles, and diphterians, flies, mosquitoes. Beta-thuringiensis forms a toxic insecticide proteins, Bt toxin crystals, during a particular phase of their growth. It does not kill the bacillus as it exists as inactive protoxins. Cryprotein does not kill the bacterium as it exists as inactive protoxins, but once an insect ejects, the inactive toxin is converted into active toxin due to the alkaline pH of the gut. The activated toxin binds to the surface of epithelial cells of midgut and create pores that causes swelling and lysis of the cells, leading to death of the insects. Bt toxin genes were isolated from beta-thuringiensis and incorporated into crop plants such as cotton. The toxin is coded by a gene named Cry. There are different variants of Cry genes, each producing different variant of a beta Bt toxin, Cry protein, which are insect group specific. For example, the protein encoded by the genes 1 Cry1AC and Cry2AB control the bollworms. Second, Cry1AB control cornworms or corn borrowers. Resistance in tobacco or nematode resistance in tobacco plant. A nematode Meliodagyna incognita infects the roots of tobacco plant and reduces the yield. The infestation of the nematode was checked through the process of RNA interference (RNAi). It involves silencing of the specific mRNA due to complementary double-strand RNA molecule that bind to and prevents translation of the mRNA silencing. Using agrobacterium vectors, the nematode-specific genes were introduced into the host plant. The genes were introduced in such a way that they produce both sense and antisense RNA in the host plant cells. These two RNAs, that of nematode and that form in host cells, being complementary to each other, form a double-stranded RNA and thus silenced the specific mRNA of the nematode. As a result, the parasite could not survive in the transgenic host and later is protected from the pest. Biotechnological application in medicine. Recombination DNA technology have made immense impact in the area of healthcare, enabling mass production of safe and more effective therapeutic drugs. At present, about 30 recombinant therapeutics have been approved for human uses. 12 of these are being used in India. Application in medicines. Genetically engineered insulin, gene therapy, molecular diagnosis. Recombinant therapeutics do not induce unwanted immunological responses as is common in case of similar product isolated from non-human resources. Genetically engineered insulin. The insulin used to treatment diabetes was earlier extracted from pancreas of slaughters, cattle and pigs. In some patients, such insulin that is from animal sources cause allergy or other type of reactions due to foreign proteins. Now it is possible to produce human insulin using bacteria. The human insulin consists of two short polypeptide chains, chain A and chain B, that are linked together by disulfide bridge. Insulin is synthesized as a prohormone, which contains an extra stress called C-peptide. The C-peptide is removed during maturation into insulin. In 1983, an American company, Eli Lilly, prepared two DNA sequences corresponding to A and B chain of human insulin and introduce them in plasmids of E. coli to produce insulin chains. Chains A and B were produced separately, extracted and combined by creating disulfide bond to form human insulin. Gene therapy. Gene therapy is a collection of methods that allow correction of gene defect that has been diagnosed in a child or embryo. It involves delivery of a normal gene into the individual or embryo to take over the function and compensate for the non-functional genes. The enzyme ADA is an important for functioning of the immune system. In some children, ADA deficiency can be cured by bone marrow transplantation. In others, it can be treated by enzyme replacement therapy, that is, functional ADA is given to the patient by injection. But both these treatments are not completely curative. The first clinical gene therapy was given in 1990 to a 4-year girl suffering from adenosine diaminase ADA deficiency. Gene therapy for ADA deficiency. The lymphocytes from the blood of the patient are grown in culture. A functional ADA cDNA using a retroviral vector is then introduced into these lymphocytes, which are subsequently returned to the patient. However, the lymphocytes are not immortal. The patient requires periodic infusion of such genetically engineered lymphocytes. If the gene isolated from marrow cells producing ADA is introduced into cells at early embryonic stage, the deficiency could be cured permanently. Production of pest-resistant plant. One of the applications of biotechnology in agriculture is the production of pest-resistant plant, which could reduce the use of chemical pesticides to protect the crops. Bt toxin gene for a bacterium called Bacillus thuringiensis has been cloned and expressed in some crops plants to provide resistance to insects without PCR or polymerase chain reactions. Very low concentration of a bacteria or virus when the symptoms of the disease are not yet visible can be detected by amplification of these nucleic acid by PCR. Presence of pathogen is normally suspected only based on symptoms. By this time, the concentration of the pathogen is already very high in the body. Uses of PCR. PCR is now routinely used to detect HIV in suspected AIDS patients. PCR is also used to detect mutation in genes in suspected cancer patients. Autoradiography for mutated genes. A single-strand DNA or RNA tagged with a radioactive molecule probe is allowed to hybridize to its complementary DNA in a clone of cells followed by detection using autoradiography. The clone having the mutated gene will not appear on the photographic film because the probe will not have complementarily with the mutated gene. Biotechnology applications in agriculture. Thank you.